And then at the first day of school, to get the class moving around and knowing each other, I like to do silent activities where they have to just line up in a row according to their birthday, or you have them line up in alphabetical order with by their middle name, just like little silly activities to get them comfortable. Then there's another one, and this is before you're doing any language because communication starts before speaking. So there's a game called Quiet Ball, again with the koosh ball, where they have to sit on a desk and they just throw the ball to each other and they can't talk. And if they miss the ball or they talk, they're out. So I like to do these little silent games and along with the survey to get them to know each other. And then after a couple days, then I start with the name game when I'm feeling confident where I've shown them that they've memorized all their names. And then they do like an all about me thing. So that's how I warm up and get into the beginning of the